Hi, Kavya.
Hello, ma'am.
Firstly, congratulations. Very, very congratulations for your success. We are all very proud of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Chalo. I want to ask you certain questions, right? So, you were enrolled in the LST program.
Yes, ma'am.
What made you go for it?
Ma'am, so initially I went for online classes
Hmm.
and I took a demo class, and the teacher taking the demo class was just very confident about CL and the batch. And he said that, we don't teach much in the demo class because we know we need you to trust us that we're going to teach you well because our track record is like that. So that really impressed me. And then when I went for the online class, it was good. But, I have concentration problems. So I eventually switched to offline in 12th grade. So I thought I'll have a more serious preparation in 12th.
Okay, the concentration problem I don't find that much, but good. Okay. And how did you find your journey at CL?
Ma'am, it was very good actually. From initially, I took CLAT last year and I can totally see the improvement that I have made after joining like offline classes this year. So, the teaching, the resources that they give you at the institute, going to the center and giving mocks, it all really helps.
Chalo, okay. Okay, you talked about mock test, right? So how much has the mock tests helped you improve your
Of course,
preparations?
mock tests are the main thing. Without giving mock tests, you don't understand anything about how your preparation is going. You can't blindly study. Giving the mock test really gives you an idea of where you stand. Of course, they can sometimes be demoralizing. Like what I was getting in the mock test generally throughout the year is lower than what I got in actual CLAT. But that's in a way good also because it allowed me to improve on my areas and like really pinpoint ki kya problem hai. So
Okay, okay. And what are the few things that stood out at the center that helped you in your preparations?
definitely, ma'am, the teachers and especially the material they gave us and the way they taught, of course, but all teachers teach good. But the GK and legal PPTs that they sent us were really helpful, especially GK in the last few days. It was so helpful. All our teachers, like Vineet sir taught us initially, and all the PPTs he had sent us were so good. And then later on, it was Shreyas sir, and he had sent month-wise PPTs for every month, and that was very helpful in the last minute preparation. It really helped in the exam also. Like a lot of topics came straight out of that.
Very nice, very good. And what would your advice be to your future aspirants?
My main advice would be that, despite how you are doing in mocks and despite how much you think you have prepared, when you go into the center for the CLAT exam, you need to be at peace with yourself. You need to really believe that you have done your best, and you need to be confident with yourself. And from that point, you should take it on from there, because at when you reach the center and when the exam starts at 2 p.m., everyone is at zero, and that's the only mock that matters. Usse pehle nothing matters. So that's the main advice.
Chalo, very nice. Very good, Kavya. It was great meeting you after your results. I wish you all the very best for
Thank you
your
so much,
future.
ma'am.